Tonight, in the case against Casey, the man who bonded Casey Anthony out of jail last year is speaking out.
Tony Padilla says Casey often talked about her own suffering, was upbeat and interested in creating a festive atmosphere in the Anthony home.
And West 2's Bob Keeling joins us with the exclusive interview, and Bob Padilla and his team are at the center of efforts to keep their testimony out of this trial.
Yeah, that's right, Jim. Padilla's team, including his flamboyant uncle, bounty hunter Leonard Padilla, spent 9 days guarding Casey and their $500,000 investment. Their testimony could help the state argue that Casey was already emotionally detached from her still missing daughter. California bounty hunter Tony Padilla was there to greet Casey Anthony when he posted her bond last August.
During the time that I spent with her, she mostly talked about being out of jail, her time in jail, how awful it was in jail. She never went on to any specifics about Kaylee, how she was going to find Kaylee, or any of the people that she was accusing of taking her.
Some of it could be attributed to Jose Baez telling Casey not to talk about the case. Padilla was inside the Anthony home while controversy swirled outside.
At moments, she seemed very concerned and very overwhelmed with the fact that her daughter was gone. But at other times, she seemed very upbeat and very much into like a kind of a festive atmosphere.
According to Tony Padilla, his employee Tracy McLaughlin spent the most time in close company with Casey, 9 days, and has plenty of insight on her mindset.
And when the time comes, I'm sure Tracy's going to shed a lot of light as to what type of a person Casey is.
Even with no confession, defense attorney Richard Hornsby says prosecutors can gain a lot from McLaughlin's testimony.
Cumulative evidence to show that she was so detached from her child, she really didn't care, and she wasn't looking or emotionally invested in the child anymore.
And off-camera, Tracy McLaughlin once told West 2 that Casey never talked about Kaylee or trying to find her. She has given a sworn statement to the FBI. Judge Stan Strickland has yet to rule on Jose Baez's motion on this issue. Martha?